Page 29, this is the little etude at the top of the page. It's just 2 lines long. The purpose of this is you're crossing the finger over the thumb, but it's more than just 1 note away. In the past, when we cross over, it'd just be 1 note. Now it's farther than that. That's 2 notes. Relax the thumb. It'll come. If you just relax the thumb, it'll come. So you don't have to stay there. You could if you want. And that's all this is. They have this. Here, and then the left hand, same thing. You're crossing over here. I would suggest you can do them together. Do it. Or something like that. Even do it in contrary motion if you want. Just do it this way. So I'm using the same fingers, crossing at the same time. It's actually easier. However, when you do practice this, I recommend you practice this. Put in an extra measure of just that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Do that on that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what you want to concentrate. Don't stretch around and do all kinds of junk. Just relax, it'll come. Especially after you've been doing it a million years like I have, it's not too bad. Here. But that's the purpose of this lesson, and it leads to other things going on, so it's really important that you kind of get a grasp of this. You don't have to get real comfortable at it right now. You just need to be able to do it, and if possible, without looking at the keyboard, because you can feel this note. This one distance thing without necessarily looking. Not all that important right now, but eventually you want to be able to do that. Let me know if you have a question. I'm not going to do play with me on this because that's all it is. So, you know.